know that you are mine. Puffed up, yeah, you offline. Mix the Louis with the off-white. How it feel to be a boss wife. It don't matter what the cost like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I'm driving to open up this video, but I just wanted to kind of start the video off with you guys, like one-on-one, and kind of tell y'all like what we gonna be doing. You know what I'm saying? We're actually, today's Friday, so not technically like the weekend, because I guess the weekend is just like Saturday, Sunday, but y'all know the weekend started on Friday. So I went to work, did all of that. You know, I ain't go to work like this, but I ended up going home, you know, getting a little bit ready, a little halfway ready for the night. We are gonna go to, sorry I'm not looking at y'all, I have to look at the road, but we're going to Kuma. Oh, I'm like all on that car, huh? Anyway, we're going to Kuma and we're gonna get some sushi. We're gonna eat real good. Let's see like where this day goes, where the night goes. I'm actually going over to him now and I'm almost there. You know, we gotta go to his house and recap the day, debrief, do all of that together so that, you know, we're good for tonight. Anyway, so that's really that. I kind of want to do an update video for y'all, like kind of like a Q&A. Like I don't do Q&As and stuff, but kind of like a Q&A type of thing, because I just feel like so much is happening in my life and so much is happening that it's like, and when I say that, it's like milestone things, like things that are literally going to be taking my life and like literally starting that next chapter, like literally starting that next chapter in my life. So I feel like I should like take you guys along with me, but not only that, kind of like answer questions and like, you know, y'all just like get to know me in the stage of life that I'm in right now and like everything I got going on. So yeah, I will soon be asking probably like on Instagram, and I don't know, I'm gonna be asking y'all to ask me questions. So if you have a question that you want to ask me, ask it now in the comments and I'll answer in an update video. But yeah, all right, I'll stop talking y'all heads off because I usually be doing that, especially in the intro. So yeah, see you guys. So guys, John's my passport for last night.
It's very fun.
That is like, you know, it's very for me. I like it. Has another this is my celebratory drink. I've never been like the typical Haitian person. Like they do too much.
What are we talking about?
Haitian funerals, how they be doing themselves. Whatever this is, I got a mocktail.
Did you like it?
I got passion fruit and PT.
Really?
Yeah,
I like to
Wait, no, you can eat Chick-fil-A?
Yeah. So peanut oil is fine, but like extra like nuts and peanuts I can't do. Like, I can't eat pesto because it's made of nuts.
Yeah.
So yeah, I can't eat pesto.
You see how it came out, and we had no idea. There was no picture.
They play with my mom.
Except that
You want to tell us from that? You mentioned that asparagus.
You'd be cool with it falling apart.
Yeah, not put it together.
You think it tastes
That's fair.
nasty?
That's
Yeah,
fair.
put it right together. You actually, if you see, it actually didn't fall apart. Look,
No. You have had practice.
I can't just.
Better than yours.
That's a lot.
No, that's a fair
I
assessment.
can't do that.
Me personally, if it fall apart, I'm crap. So,
John, put it back together.
me what?
I asked
what?
if she need that.
Me what?
Exactly, I see you.
And I said, you gotta go back her up.
Me what?
What do you want to do? Are you going to help me? Are you going to help me? Or are you going to leave me?
Who did she tell me what?
She said, you need that.
Me what?
And if she said, John not going to help you. If she would have just said, John not going to help you, that should be you helping. Not you asking. I like my... because the ice is at the top, so I thought it was the ice. Unless it's really just that sweet.
Alright, bro. I hate
It
when
is
people
sweet.
ride their brakes here.
Hey guys, don't mind my hair, don't mind how I look right now because I'm actually trying to get ready for bed. So like I did my whole like nighttime thing and washed my face and stuff. So I just want to do this unboxing with y'all real quick, or like, you know, unpackaging, because it's not really a box for real. But I got a package and I think the packaging is so cute. So I just wanted to open it with y'all. I already know what it is. It's a sweatsuit. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is so cute. It says It Girl. So it's this sweatsuit. I got it in a size small. It actually is very small, so, but it's very long. Like, it's tall girl friendly for real. Cause this is way too long for my legs, but I think it's so cute. It's a green color. Sorry if the lighting is really bad. Hold on, let me try. Yo, that was completely my fault. Like, why was the lens so dirty? I hope it wasn't dirty for this whole video. I'm so sorry if it was. But now you can really kind of see it. It's green. It's cute. And then we have the top to it, which is really cute. And the quality is really good too. But yeah, I'll do a little try on thing in the next video.